Alex. Oh, scary box monster. Uh-oh. Oh, Ani was helping, sweetie. You can be a box monster again. Scary box monster, yep. I've got lots of scary box monsters in the house. Well, you got to put it back on your face, sweetie. It is a monster box. Are you a monster when you put it on? Oh, there's an Amazon monster box. Are you a dinosaur monster box? Oh, there's another monster.